Hello and welcome to Baltimore City's first ever Public Safety and Accountability Dashboard. This dashboard was created by the Mayor's Office of Neighborhood Safety and Engagement using public resources from the Baltimore City Police Department, Maryland Department of Public Safety and Correctional Services, and the State Attorney's Office. During this tutorial, we will briefly go over the pages within the dashboard and review specific features that might be of interest. Let's get started. Right now we are looking at page 1 out of 6. The boxes on the upper left-hand corner display the names of all of the pages within the dashboard. In order to get to a different page, click on a box with the title of the page that you want to navigate to. The box currently filled in black will always show you where you are within the dashboard. This way, you can jump between the pages. Now let's go back to page 1, Crime Summary. The Crime Summary is a snapshot of different categories of data for different time periods. On the same row as the pages of the dashboard, supplemental information will be found to the right. Font that is underlined and highlighted in blue are links that will lead you to an external resource. On the left-hand column, you have the ability to filter the data you're currently viewing. This left-hand column includes filters for year, police district, and neighborhood. Again, the box that is filled in black will indicate which filters you're currently using to view the data. In this example, we're looking at 2023 Baltimore City data. To view data by police district, click on the box and a new section appears below. If you want to view more than one district, you can click on the first district you'd like to view data for, and then hold the Control button on your keyboard and click on another district at the same time. This will allow you to view data for multiple districts. In order to view by neighborhood, click on the Neighborhoods tab. You can click on the downward arrow and choose the neighborhood you want to look at. You can also view combined data by using the Control button and selecting different neighborhoods. To reset the filters, click on the eraser symbol to the right of Select a Neighborhood. On the bottom of the page, you can find definitions or notes regarding the data. Now let's go to page 2, Crime Map. The crime map is a visual representation based on crime types. On this page, most of the overall layout remains. However, notice that the upper right-hand corner now has a filter for a victim's age. You can manually type in the numbers within the boxes or use the slicer option to drag the edges to your desired age range. On the map, you can adjust your view by using your mouse or trackpad to zoom in and out of the page. Now let's move on to page 3, Arrests. On page 3, we have a lot of familiar features and now a bar graph. Hovering over the bars will magnify the count and name of the charge. Clicking on specific bars will allow you to focus on that charge while the map on the right complements the information being displayed. Clicking on the same bar will reset the data. Page 4 now is the Convictions and Dispositions page. The purpose of this page is to be able to find out more information on a case based on the case number. Using the search feature on the top, you can find a case by clicking on the arrow for a drop-down menu or by manually typing in the number in the search bar. To the right, we can also search by date and clicking on the box and using the calendar. You can also select cases by neighborhood. On page 5, we have a snapshot of demographic information for Baltimore City, and it shows a breakdown by race, age, property ownership, and sex. Page 6 is a CVI ecosystem map. This page illustrates the parts of the Baltimore Community Violence Intervention System. On the left-hand side, you'll find a legend, and if you hover over a specific colored dot, you will see the address. And that is the end of our brief tutorial to Baltimore City's first ever Public Safety Accountability Dashboard. Thank you for joining us, and we hope that this was a helpful guide.